Welcome back. My name is Roderick Pinson. I'm Senior Principal Consultant for CA Technologies. On part 2 of this session, we're just going to talk about some minor report tools for CA View that can be leveraged. These tools are very minor. They help with administration. So we're just going to talk about how they're used as reporting tools. All right, so just want to let you know, just like in the last session, in today's world with mainframe support, we're doing a lot of support with less resources. So by having limited resources, you want to have as much reporting and automation options available to you to help you run the environment. That's what this session is all about. That's why it's important for you to know. In this session, we're just going to focus on CA View simple reporting using the administration tools of CA View. The SARBCH program is a famous program for the CA View product. We use this tool to add users, add devices, different things like that. It also has reporting capabilities, so we can get a list of users that last access CA View, we can get a list of devices, and that's what we're going to show you today. In this example, we're taking a SARBCH program and we're converting it so we can get a list of information out of CA View. In this example, the administrator wants a list of all the users defined in CA View so that they can review the last time the user has not logged into CA View, because if they have not logged in the last 90 days or more, maybe they're not using the product, or we just need to clean that up from a security point of view. So this is an example of the code of what they would use to create that report. And you store that out on CA View at your leisure. So here's an example of what that JCL that ran and produced the report. The administrator stored that report out on CA View for future reference, and we're looking at it through our CA View web interface. Very simple, very easy to use. In this example, we're using a SARBCH program to give us a report of any special printers that were defined to CA View for special business processing. So here's the code for leveraging that, and we created a report out of that as well. So as you can see, we ran this special report. We stored it out on CA View for online viewing and for long-term storage for future reference. Real simple, real easy to use. I hope you find this interesting. So there you have it. Give you some ideas on how to use SARBCH programs for CA View to create reports that you can store out on CA View for future reference or for tracking. It's a utility that most CA View administrators use to do other things, but this tool is also can be used as a report writing tool. Remember, take a look at our SMF record tracking tool called CA Metrics. It creates reports. Use it, leverage it, allow it to use it as a breadcrumb to find out what's going on in CA View, what the users are looking at, what are they printing, also what's not being used. And we also have other tools out there. For example, we have a tool that will check and validate if all your CA View tapes are cataloged, and we'll produce a report on that, and we'll store that out on the View database. So take advantage of all these tools that we created for CA View. I hope that you have a chance to test these tools, because if you don't test them, you don't know how they'll run. So there you have it. I just showed you a few examples of how you could take an administrator tool, SARBCH, and make it produce reports for your review and online storage inside CA View. Once again, as I stated in part 1 of this series, learn how to use these tools and create the reports. Make the reports fit your business need and your administration need. Schedule these reports to run on your workload automation tool like CA7, CAESP. Finally, have some fun creating this data, because you never know when you might need it. Have a great day.